let's do a sneak peek into what you will learn in week 1. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define artificial intelligence, explain how AI works, recognize the different types of AI, separate AI myths and facts, understand ethical and AI practices, use ChatGPT safely and responsible. Section 1, pre-class reflection. Before today's lesson, answer the following questions. What do you already know about artificial intelligence? Next question. How do you currently use AI? Never, rare, sometimes, often, every day. What do you hope to learn from this course? So these are some of the questions that will be presented to you, and you'll be guided on how to answer these questions. The aim is to teach adults 40 and above how to understand artificial intelligence. Again, I said before in my first video, AI or artificial intelligence is not demonic. Hosea 4 verse 6 says, God says that my people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. And because we reject knowledge, he said he will also reject our children. Amen. So we are being prepared for ourselves and for the next generation. Are you in? If you are in, my number 346-9098. Again, my number 346-9098. Say, hey, Mr. Anderson, I'm in. Book me down for the course, the 12-week course, and the price is just $500 TT. 12 weeks and the course $500 TT, and we are on 2 hours every week. We will learn, we will gather information, so at the end of the course, you'll be properly well positioned to master artificial intelligence. Thank you.